Patiently I'll wait for you there, like a stone. I'll wait for you there, alone, alone, yeah. Zion Jew, right? Rock, rock and roll. Must have been G so bad. So to squid ba mo? Hello, Mike. Test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right. Sometimes I feel like I needed a partner. Sometimes I feel like I'm only a friend in the city you live in, city of angels, lonely as I am, together we cry. Nandito ka na, be? Drive on her street cause she's my companion. Walk through the hills cause knows who I am. She's my good bitch, she keeps me windy. Never worry, now that's a lie. I don't wanna ever feel like I did that day. Take me to the place I love, take me all the way. I don't wanna ever feel like I did that day. Take me to the place I love, take me all the way. Believe that there's nobody out there. It's hard to believe that I'm all alone. Wish I ever loved the city who loves me. Lonely as I am, together we cry. Shout out, Lottie. Fantastic po. I don't wanna ever feel like I did that day. Take me to the place I love, take me all the way. I don't wanna ever feel like I did that day. Take me to the place I love. Happy passing, Lordy, tell me all the way. Yeah, yeah. Chọn ka lang. Request. I could see that day. Take me to the place I love. Some begging nga, please. One begging coming up. What? Yeah, no. But I ever told you it was the wrong way. You gotta have and I had to give. Now I'm gonna make it hard to leave. Saw the tears running down to her chin and the runs up her makeup never wanted. Appetizing, guys. Alright. Put your loving hand out, baby. Shout out, man. 'Cause I'm begging. Let's start, guys. Right. Sensya na sa bulan. I'm begging, begging you. Put your loving hand out, baby. Begging, begging you. Put your loving hand out, darling. Riding high when I was king. Played it hard, it passed aside everything. I walk away, you want me then. But easy come and easy go when it wouldn't. So enter my bleed, you let me know. Now enter my feet, you get me know. Enter my sea, you let me know. But the planet sea, just let me go. I'm on my knees while I'm begging, so I don't wanna lose you. Hey, yeah, ra-ta-ta-ta. I'm begging, begging you. Put your loving hand out, baby. Begging, begging you. Darling, I need you to understand. Try so hard to be your man, the kind of man you want at the end. Only then can I begin to live again. An empty shell used to be, shadow of my life was hanging over me. Broken man that I don't know. What even stand the every chance to win my soul? What we doing? What we chasing? What the bottom? What the basement? What we got good shit that embrace it? What the people need to replace me? You're wrong way tracked and the good. What a better picture tell me we could react like a heart in the best way you should. Give it away you had and took the pay. But I keep walking on, keep opening doors, keep walking forward. That the call is yours, keep on sold. I don't wanna live in a broken home, girl, I'm begging. Yeah, yeah, I'm begging. Begging you, put your loving hand out, baby. Begging, begging you, put your loving hand out, darling. I'm fighting hard to hold my own, just can't make it all alone. I'm holding on, I can't pull back. I'm just succumb about to fade back. I'm begging, begging you, so put your loving hands out, baby. I'm begging, begging you, so put your loving hands out, darling. So put your loving hand out, baby. Begging, begging you, so put your loving hand out, darling. I'm begging, begging you to put your loving hand out, baby. I'm begging, begging you to put your loving hand down. 'Cause I'm begging. Right.
Daddy,
Salamat po.
De.
Yes, bebe.
paki-PM si yung song si Jess. Ikaw ang mag-PM yun. Sabihin mo, mag-live siya, paki-check ang live niya, okay na ba? Bilis. Nag-message na sa akin ng
Nobody ever told it was the wrong way. Don't be afraid with the family get paid. It's the wrong way.
Dito Anong pangalan mo?
I had to give. I'm gonna make it hard to live. You Got the tears running down to her cheek. Rooms up her makeup I never wanted. I feel sad, let's get you that. I'll do anything I can, it's the wrong way. Or if I can, maybe I'm a lonely man. It's the wrong way. But there's still life. No. Sa kabila. Okay. Wala. Gonna make it hard to leave. Temptation. And sometimes America. Oh. Yeah. To give you all they have to give and make it hard to live. Got the tears running down to her cheek. Freeze up her makeup I never wanted. I feel great. Sorry when I say every day was the wrong way. People like just imagine like maybe it's a type was the wrong way. I never all that I had to give. Papuntay mo sa itag mo sa GC. Tapos papuntay mo sa pier.
Hindi ko nga naalala anong pangalan niya. Inanap ko dito eh.
Listen, si Guapo. She left before I had a chance to say, whoa, words that were meant, things that were broken. Now it's far too late, she's gone away.
Papalit-palit kasi sila ng pangalan eh.
Every night you cry yourself to sleep, thinking why does this happen to me? Does every moment have to be so hard? Hard to believe that it's not over tonight. One more chance to make it right. I may not make it through tonight. Oh, without you. You say I'll never get over.
Hindi ko makita sa pangalan mo. Palit kasi ng
Noise
pangalan eh.
that may keep me away. Oh. So much it stress me every day.
Welcome, Happy Taski.
Taski po. Every night you cry yourself to sleep, thinking why does this happen to me? And why? Lolo, kamusta? Hard to believe that it's not over tonight. Make it right. I may not make it through the night. I won't go home without you. Nice song, love. It's not over. Sige lang hindi. One more chance to make it right. I may not make it through the night. I won't go home without you. One more chance to make it right. through the night, I won't go home. Ay, bakit ganun? Ano, Mr. Lods? Master Sword. Right. Parang hindi mo pa ako pinapalo pa. When the rhythm will start to play, dance with me, make me sway. Like a lazy ocean hugs the shore, hold me close, sway me more. Like a flower bending in the breeze, bend with me, sway with me. When you dance, yes, sway with me, sway with me, sway with me. Other dancers may be on the floor. This my eyes will see only you. Only you have the magic with me. When we sway, I go weak. I can hear the sounds of violin long before it begins. Make me thrill as you don't know how. Sway me smooth, sway me now. Kapitasin guys, salamat po ng madami, Lord. Palong back lang para mabilis mapunta sa PR mo. Bawi lang to. Right. Other dancers may be on the floor, but see my eyes will see only you. Only you have the magic technique. When we sway, I go weak. I can hear the sounds of violin long before it begins. Make me thrill as you all now. Sway me smooth, sway me on. When marimba rhythm starts to play, dance with me, make me sway. Hold me close, like a flower bending in the breeze. Alright.
Lago pa ako giatay.
Ano bang mag-sumis ang talod? Ay, wala na si Lord. And I give up forever to touch you, 'cause I know that you feel me somehow. You're the closest to heaven that I'll ever be, and I don't wanna go home right now. Know that this taste is this moment. All I can feel is now. Sooner or
Anong spelling
later.
paging, Daddy?
Ano?
Anong spelling ng paging?
Paging. Edi page. P-A-G-I-N-G.
P-A-G-I. Ah, okay.
Things make to be broken. Just want you to know who I am. Know who I am. Okay. Can't find things that ain't coming. The moment truth in your life, when everything feels like a movie. Yeah, you bleed just to know you're alive. And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand. And everything's made to be broken. I just want you to know who I am. Clint Eastwood, guys, alright. Ay, ba? Sorry na. Dig my toes into the sand. The ocean looks like 2,000 diamonds you north across the land. I lean against the wind, pretend that I am waveless, and in this moment I am happy, happy. I wish you were here. 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 Passing my shout out. I lay my head into the sand. Sky resembles a backlit canopy with house of punches. Counting UFO, looking with my lighter. And in this moment I am happy, happy. I wish you were here. 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 Road's a roller coaster. The night is stepping. Maybe I should roll the cabin and music in the air. She is Sarah. How are you, Sarah? Hello. I wish you were here. I wish you were here. Wish you were here. I wish you were here. Right, Lods. What's up? How are you? What the fuck? What the fuck? Where's my brain? Yo, man. What's up, man? What's this? Ano ba ito? Man, I don't know what to do. Says you. Honey gave me that you come around and it's creepy with a girl next door. Picture this, we were both butt naked, banging on the bathroom door. How could I forget that I had given any extra key? All this time he was standing there, she never took a ride on me. All I did was wait for the access to your villa. Just positive because of the same true pillar. Better watch your back until the killer. She's just sometimes on a video. Just fair and know how to pay. Nothing else takes it, less as a day. Me to a word what you said. Baby, no way. But they call me on the counter. Tell me when you come. Living in a shower. See me caught me on camera. Saw the marks on my shoulder. Heard the words that I told her. Let the scream get louder. She said it was over. I never had to come with him. They creepy with a girl next door. She said we were both just naked, banging in the bathroom door. It's so funny. Aduh. Captain Sai in the house. How are you? Kumusta ka, Lord? Kitasin po. Ay, nandyan si Ate Sai. Pakitin natin si Ate Sai. You was wondering for a moment in time, but it seems everlasting that you will always be mine. Now you wanna be free, so I'm letting you fly. You know in your heart, babe, our love will never die. No, you'll always be a part of me. I'm part of you indefinitely. Girl, don't you know you can't escape me? Ooh, darling, 'cause you'll always be my baby. You linger on. Time can't erase the feeling that's strong. No way you're never gonna shake me. Darling, 'cause you'll always be my baby. Lods, okay ba yung audio? Kailangan na ako yan. I ain't gonna cry, no. Now we'll make it to stay. You're determined to leave, girl. I will not stand in your way. But inevitably, I'm back again. You know, yari ka na. Our love will never end, no. You'll always be a part of me. I'm part of you indefinitely. Girl, don't you know you can't escape? Oh, what a fuck. You'll always be my baby. You linger on. Time can't erase the feeling this strong. No way you're never gonna shake me. Darling, 'cause you'll always be mine. I know that you'll be back, girl. When your days and your nights get a little bit colder. Oh, I know that you'll be right back, babe. Baby, believe me, it's only a matter of time. What the fuck? You'll always be a part of me. I'm part of you indefinitely. Girl, don't you know you can't escape me? Darling, you'll always be my baby. You linger on. Time can't erase the feeling this strong. No way you're never gonna shake me. Darling, 'cause you'll always be my Tashin Lods, baby. You'll always be a part of me. I'm part of you indefinitely. Girl, don't you know you can't escape me? Darling, you'll always be my baby. Baby. Where's my baby? Darling, you'll always be baby. Lodi! On the house, let's go. Kamusta ka, Lods? Ano pala to? What the fuck? Oh, sabay sabi, bigger than you wanna
Okay lang songs. Ayan lang.
think that I would go through distance in your eyes. Oh no, said too much, said it out. That's me in the corner, that's me in the spotlight, losing my religion, trying to keep up with you, and I don't know if I can do it. Oh no, I said too much, and I said enough. Unong kape. That I heard you laughing, thought that I heard you sing. Ooh, I think I thought I saw you cry. We whisper every waking hour. I'm choosing my confession. Appetizing the thing to keep up with you, like a hurt, lost and blinded foe. Oh no, I said too much, I said it out. See the death, hint of the century. See the death, yeah. Walk me to my knees, friend. What if all this fantasies playing the ground? Now I'm there too much. I thought that I heard you laughing, I thought that I heard you sing. Oh, I think I thought I saw you cry. Itasin guys, mga bisita natin dyan yan. Salamat po nila. That was just a dream. That was just a dream. That's me in the corner. That's me in the spotlight, losing my religion, trying to keep up with you. I don't know if I can do it. Oh no, I said too much, haven't said enough. I thought that I heard you laughing, I thought that I heard you sing. I think I thought I saw you cry. That was just a dream. Why cry? Why cry? That was just a dream. Just a dream. Just a dream. Itasin po sa inyo dyan. Purong kape, alright? Round call, Papa Beach, alright. Pitasin guys. Enjoy lang kayo sa music ko. Kaya pang pagtiisan, alright. I ain't happy, I'm feeling glad I got sunshine. In a bag I'm useless, but not for long, the future is coming up. I ain't happy, I'm feeling glad I got sunshine. In a bag I'm useless, but not for long, the future is coming out, it's coming out, it's coming out, it's coming out. Finally, someone let me out of my cage. Now it's sad for me, cause not because I'm counting no A's. Now it couldn't be there. Now you couldn't be scared. I'm good at repairs, and under the snare is tangible. Bet you didn't think so, I command you to. Panoramic view, look, I'm looking so manageable. Pick and choose, as you lose, there's a different truth. Pick and do, you think you really kick and tune. Picture you getting down in the picture tube. Let it live diffuse. You think it's not mystical? Maybe. Here who appears in you too. You're too crazy, lifeless. You don't see definition for what life is. Priceless to you because I put you on the high shit. Like it, and I don't smoke it. Classic among those who pass you at walls. I ain't happy. I'm feeling glad I got sunshine. In a bag, I'm useless, but not for long. The future is coming on. I ain't happy. I'm feeling glad I get sunshine. In a bag, I'm useless, not for long. The future is coming out, it's coming out, it's coming out, it's coming out. The S is the basic, without it you make it. Allow me to make this childlike in nature. Rhythm, you have it, you don't have the fallacy I'm in it. Every shrouded tree, every child of peace, every shrouded sea. See what you are, structure in the mind, corruption in the sky. Up at the price, and I'm sucking to your lies. Rise with the master, but I should be provided. The mirrors of God. No, you see me now, you see what you are. Please appreciate that man, you know. Don't stick around and be a mentor. What have you Monday, motherfucker, baby, but the call is I brought all this for you and survive when the law is flawless. Feeling sensations when you thought it was dead. No screaming, remember that it's all in your head. I ain't happy, I'm feeling glad I got sunshine. In a bag, I'm useless, but not for long. The future is coming on. I ain't happy. I'm feeling glad I got sunshine. In a bag, I'm useless, but not for long. The future is coming out, it's coming out, it's coming out. My future is coming out, it's coming out, it's coming out. My future is coming out, it's coming out, it's coming out. Now these ones are dedicated to all the you want to say that sing song, young girls, dedicated to all the girls around me. These remedies I give you the combination you can't miss. Flip this one upon the music of this. Shout out to you, Emperor Bloody. Wow. Yeah, you're mine, girl. You're my darling angel. Closer than my feet. You are to me, baby. Shorty, you're mine, girl. You're my darling angel. Girl, you're my friend and I'm in need. Lady, life is one big party when you stay young. Who's gonna have your back when it's all done? So good when you let it have you fun. Can't be a fool, son. What about the long run? Looking back, shorty, always a mention. So me not giving her much attention. You was there through my incarceration. I wanna show the nation my appreciation. Girl, you're mine, girl. You're my darling angel. Closer than my feet, you are to me, baby. Shorty, you're mine, girl. You're my darling angel. Girl, you're my friend and I'm in need, lady. You're a queen and so you should be treated. Though you never get the loving that you needed. Could have left but I call you a heated. Begging and pleaded, mission completed. Mama said that I one night is the program. Not that to mess around with your emotion, but the feeling that I have for you is so strong. Been together so long, this could never be wrong. Yeah, you're mine. My darling angel, closer than my feet, you are to me, baby. Shorty, you're mine, girl. You're my darling angel. Girl, you're my friend and I'm in need, lady. That's my behavior, you are my savior. You must be sent from up above, and you appear to me so tender. A girl I surrender. Thanks for giving me girl, it's part of my behavior. You are my savior. You must be sent from above. And you appear to me so tender. But girl, I surrender. Thanks for giving me your love. Our life is one big. Bebe, yung anak natin, nasa labas. So, when you listen up you, can't be a fool, son. What about a long run? Looking back short, you always a mention. Tell me now, giving her much attention. You were dead to my incarceration. I wanna show the nation my appreciation. You're my angel, you're my darling angel. Sige, Lord. Sige na. Bebe, where are you? What the fuck? You're my angel, you're my darling.
Ah,
Yung anak
Daddy.
natin, no? Pinapabayaan
Ay,
mo sa labas.
naku ka.
Walang pante,
Ay,
ay walang
naku.
short, walang salawal. Okay lang, Lodi. Shibidu-bidu-bidu, boy. Happy tasking, anak. At sa lahat ng mga nagtsatsagang makinig dyan, salamat po ng madami. It's a big pleasure with me here, guys. Yeah. Alright. Ano ba yung kinakanta ko kanina? Salamat, Liam. Salamat po. Happy tasking, guys. No, no, no. Sometimes I feel the fear of uncertainty. Think it clear. Salamat, Lods. At follow back lang. I ask myself how much I left to fear. Take it away and clear. Driven me before, seems to have a bag. Haunting must appeal. Lately I'm beginning to find a way. Should be the beyond the way. Whatever tomorrow brings, I'll be there. Open arms and open eyes, yeah. Whatever tomorrow brings, I'll be there. I'll be there. So if I decide to waver my chance to be one of the hand, palabak lads. And I just water over one and hold my own drive. Oh, oh, oh. Me before seems to be the way that everyone else cuts around. Lately I'm beginning to find that when I drive myself, my life is drowned. Whatever tomorrow brings, I'll be there. Open eyes and open arms, yeah. Whatever tomorrow brings, I'll be there. I'll be there, yeah. Hello, man. Would you choose over wine? Hold the wheel and drive. Whatever tomorrow brings, I'll be there. Open arms and open eyes, yeah. Whatever tomorrow brings, I'll be there. I'll be there. Sige. Ano to? Let me tell you why now it's on my mind. For a love like yours is so very hard to find. Look inside myself. Salamat, Lord. It's true. There can only be you for me. Need you more and more. You turned me inside out and showed me what about only you. The only one who saw my heart away. One that's and only you. The only one that stole my heart away. When you're in my arms, when me close to you. There's a magic in your arms that's shining through. Want you every day, want you every night. There can only be you for me. Make it seem so right, oh girl, 'cause you let me inside out and show me that you wanted about only you. Nawawala. The only one that saw my heart away. Rock! Tasing Lucille, how are you? Miss ka na namin ni Mayora. Right? Bahay mo, hindi ba? Thank you, Lodi. Para sa mga bisita ko dyan, Lodi, sige lang, follow back na lang kayo. Bigayan na lang tayo, di ba? In my mind, there's no other love. The heart and soul is thinking of only you, only me. Mataba ka rin ba? There can never ever be another. The way that I understand it, feel inside, 'cause you turned me inside out and showed me life was about only you. The only one that stole my heart away. I do all I can just to show you are the one, only you. Hindi ko alam yung lyrics na itong brong to. Stole my heart away. You stole my heart away. Only you, the only one that stole my heart away. Yeah, you inside and show me you understand. Only you, the only one that stole my heart away. Stole my heart away. You stole my heart away. Only you, the only one that stole my heart away. Mahal, hanggang kailan maghihintay ang puso ko umulila sa iyo. Ito ang buhay ko, bawat pintig ng pulso ay alay lamang sa iyo at ibibigay. Basta't sa'kin ika'y nang mawawalay, sabihin mo sa'kin kailan mali ang pag-ibig. Kailangan bang masaktan pa ating mga damdamin? Yakapin mo ako o hagan mo akong muli. Huwag kang bibitin, ay nating lalapin ang langit. Salamat, Lord. Paano? Nice, Captain. Magwawakas paghihirap ng dibdib, Diyos ako'y nananalig. Ando ang buhay ko, sa bawat pintig ng puso ay alay lamang sa iyo. At ibang hangat, babawi ako. Dahil itong pulso, ikaw lamang ang pinapangarap. Sabihin mo sa'kin kailan mali ang pag-ibig. Kailangan bang masaktan pa ating mga damdamin? Yakapin mo ako o hagan mo akong muli. Huwag kang bibitin, sabay nating hapusin ang langit. Dami po utang sa iyo, Lord. Salamat mo madami, Captain Jane. Bawi ako, ha? What the fuck? Again? Thank you po. Pitasin, guys. Pasensya na po. What this? Why it's not playing? Di ba? Hindi nagpa-play. Abra, abracadabra, gonna reach out and touch ya. Patulugin ko na ba kay Lods? Tulog na ang bebe amin. Try lang natin ito, guys. When I look in your eyes, watching the night sky, beautiful sunrise, so much they hold, just like the most stars, you that come so far, right where you are. Oh, so won't give up on us, even if the sky gets rough. Giving you all my heart, walking up. Sige, Lodi, salamat ng madami. And when you're needing your space, do some navigating, be patiently waiting to see what you find. Bless you more, Captain Jane. 'Cause even the stars, they burn. Some even fall to the earth. We've got a lot to learn. God knows we're worth it. No, I won't give up. I don't wanna be someone who walks away so easily. I need to stay and make the difference that I can make. Differences, they do a lot to teach us how to use the tools that we got. Yeah, we got a lot at stake. And in the end, this is my best shit. We didn't dance, we didn't ask work, we didn't break, we didn't burn. Not a word. Giving in, I had to learn what I've got and what I'm not, and who I am. I won't give up on us, even if the skies get rough. Giving you all my love, still looking up, still looking up. I won't give up on us. God knows sometimes enough. We've got a lot to learn. God knows we're worth it. Oh, I won't give up on us, even if the skies get rough. We'll give you all my love, still looking up. Salamat, Lodi. Malaki talaga ipapap. Utang ko sa iyo, ha? Alright. Salbahin nito. Okay din. Tasking, guys. Salamat ng dami, Lodi. Ay. Ano nasunod? What the fuck? When I'm needing your wish you were here. I don't know what. Ganun. Patulogin natin kayo. Patulogin namin kayo, ha? Para hindi ka na magagisna. And happy tasking everyone. Salamat po sa nag-follow and share ng ating live broadcast. You're the one never let me sleep. You're my mind down to my soul. You touch my lips. You're the one that I can't wait to see. You are by my side. I'm in ecstasy. I'm all alone without you. Days are dark without the glimpse of you. Now that you came into my life, salamat ng madami ah. Binabawian, ikaw nga binawian ko eh. Di ba nauna ka kahapon, nagla-live ako eh. Tapos ganon, tapos ikaw na naman, pinalaki mo pa yung utak ko sa'yo. Ladies and gentlemen, one of my friends here, may golden heart. Nagtutulog po sa tasking ng
Wala pang mga ginagawa eh. Nakahiga pa rin.
right. Si
Welcome
Captain Jane po.
everyone.
Alright. Pleasure to have you, ma'am. Oh, kala ko matutulog ka na. Papatulogin na kita sa tugtog. At every time I hear a music plays, reminds me of the things that we've been through. In my heart, I can't believe it's true. But in my heart, the reality is you. Andiyan ang aking mayora. I'm all alone without you. Tatampan na.
Ayan, thank you for watching.
Days are dark without a glimpse of you. Now that you came into my life, I feel complete. Flowers bloom, the morning shines, and I can see.
Hello po. Nakikita-sting lang.
Love is
Nakikita-sting lang.
like the sun that lights up my whole world. I feel the warmth inside. Salamat, Lodi. Your love is like a river.
Nabawi lang, nabawi.
Pinalaki mo pa yung inside.
Nabawi lang,
Dami ko
Lods.
ng account to Lods. Dahil mo account na puruhan ka.
5.
Aw, grabe. Di ba yun mo, ayaw mo yun. Tapos lahat gagastusan mo. What the fuck?
Para sa battle yan, Lods. Sa battle.
Pero dahil ikaw ano ng pam mo?
Oh, ako lang, mga ID ko lang. Wala naman, ang member ko na may tulog.
One man army. Wala niya.
mga ID ko lang kasi yung member, wala, hindi man ako nag-accept. Eh, masarap yan.
Mago, mago!
Masarap nga yan. Sige, Lodi, baba na ako. Salamat.
Hey, Lodi, that's a big pleasure for me. Salamat sa bisita mo. Salamat sa caring. Bawi ako sa iyo.
Babawi na naman. Bawi na.
Wala niya. Salamat po. Salamat po.
Babawi na ako sa gift.
Bless you more.
Thank you po.
God bless you more. Patel. Salamat sa bisita. Good evening po, Jaja. Ay, ikaw na naman yun. Dami na akong utang. Dami. Lights of my whole world, I feel the chill inside. Bakit ka, be? Captain Jane, salamat na madami. Lights of my whole world, I feel the chill inside. Oh, love is like the sun. Chris Joyce, ang shoutout po sa inyo. Ay, ang GBAJLI, how are you, my friend? Bunso! Bunso! How are you? Oh, Uy, tama na, patid. Ano yan? Oh, yeah. Ah, yeah. Mata na yan eh. Ay, Madam Moore, salamat po ng madami. Follow back po. Babawian ko kayo. There's a fire starting in my heart. Bring me out the dark. Finally, I can see it crystal clear. Go ahead and sell me out and lie on the bed. See how I live with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I will do. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and bringing me out the dark. The scars of your youth remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your youth leave me breathless. Can keep you feeling we couldn't have it all. Running in the deep. You had my hand inside of your hand, and you played it. Salamat daw. Baby, I have no story to be told. I've had one of you, I'm gonna make you heaven. Think of me in every depth you felt, making a hole down there and really won't be shared. The scars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. Scars of your love leave me breathless. Feeling I couldn't have it all. Rolling in the deep. You had my heart inside of your hand. Now and you let it be free. Have it all. Rolling in the deep. Throw your soul through every open door. Count your blessing to find what you're looking for. Turn my sorrow into bless your gold. Bear me back in kind of reap just what you sow. Ay, tawa na. Matulog ka. Matulog ka. Ginising pala kita, alright. And salamat po ng madami. Do you hear me talking to you? Across the water, across the deep blue ocean, under the open sky. Oh my baby, I'm trying. Boy, I hear you in my dreams. I feel you whisper in my sea. I keep you with me in my heart. Make it easier when life gets hard. Lucky I'm in love with my best friend. Lucky to have been where I have been. Lucky to be coming home again. Ooh, they don't know how long it takes waiting for your love like this. Every time we say goodbye, I wish I had one more kiss. I wait for you, I promise you I will. Lucky I'm in love with my best friend. Lucky it to happen what I have been. Like it to be coming home again. Like you were in love in every way. Like you to have stayed where you stay. Salamat, Lodi. Tumigil ka na. Talagang ano eh, no? Where you see to an island where we'll meet. You hear the music, feel the air. I put a flower in your hair. Through the breezes, through the trees, move so pretty. You're all I see as the words keep spinning round. You hold me right here, right now. Like to in love with my best friend. Like to head back. Lord, salamat na madami. Mamaya makulit kita. Nangungulit ka. Tumigil ka ng buwa. Laki na nakutak ko sa'yo po. Like to be coming home again. Bye, Lord. Salamat. It's my pleasure. Salamat po, Lord. Salamat sa blessings. Share din natin yan sa iba. Pag-blessed ka. Keep continue to bless others, alright? Salamat ng madami. What the fuck? What the fuck? Salamat, Lord. Be blessed too. Sabi, salamat. Ikaw din to, bro. So much they hold. Pinapa-ano talaga. Dali lang, guys. Far, be right where you are. Rock. Ikala mo, hindi kita alam. Huwag ka na wirit, uy. Nag-DTS na tuloy ako sa iba eh. Na ikaw yun. Tama na. Salamat po. Madami na. Rock. Salamat po. Yeah. Shoutout po sa kaibigan Chai B. Yeah, happy tasting everyone. Salamat po sa pagbisita sa Clear Live. Ika'y matutumba, ika'y masasawi, mabibilangan ka ngunit babangon kang muli. Walang maniniwala, walang makikinig, wala na raw pag-asang daigdig mong pag-ibig. Dadala ka ba sa agos o hindi? Hindi. Fantastic, guys. Enjoy lang kayo. Thank you for listening. Patay na kung patay, magkaalaman lang. Lahat ibibigay dahil wala na tong atrasan. Magitingan ng puso ang labanan. Yeah. Ayun. lakad kung hindi mo mapigilan ng tuwang matagal kang naghintay, kaibigan. Umawi ka, paabutin mo sa langit ang tamis ng sandaling ibinigay. Tagumpay, harap ng puso, kailanman hindi sumuko. Harap ng puso, kailanman hindi sumuko. Yeah. Happy listening po sa each and everyone. Salamat po ng madami sa Tambay Lodge. Keep rocking. Lumpong naglalakad, katabi niya'y haring may lahubad, binging nakikinig. Salamat, Kapling. Iyak na, ikaw din yan. Mayroong tinig, alisin ang iyong maskara at titilat ang mga mata. Ang isipang tangan ay buksan sa walang kabuluhan. Itas niyo ako sa sarili kong anino, aking anino. Sana'y hanapin sa gilang salamin, ay dami-daming hugis na salamin. Salamat ba din madami? Ikaw din yata yan. Salamat ng madami, Lods. Babi ako sa lahat ng promise. Thank you very much. It's a pleasure for me. Bless you. Nakatitig na ulan sa mga haliging na buwan, baliw na sumasayaw, liwanag siya'y ikaw. At ang diwa ko'y litong-lito, ito'y balak kayo. Ang nakikita'y kabaliktaran. Salamat. Hindi yan na ligtas niyo ako sa sarili kong anino, aking anino. Ito ay God bless you, Brother Lord. Salamat po ng madami. Masaya na ako. I-upload ko sa YouTube to kasi masyadong I heat up, I can't cool down. Got the raining round and round, running round, so it goes. But it stops, nobody knows. Every time call my name, I heat up like a burning flame, full of desire. Hit you, baby, get the fire, get higher. Gonna reach out and grab ya, abracadabra, abracadabra. You make me hot, make me sad, you make me laugh, you make me cry. For your love, the touch of your velvet hand, abracadabra. I wanna reach out and grab ya, abracadabra, rock and roll, abracadabra. I feel the magic in your caress, I feel magic when I touch your dress, silk and satin, leather and lace, black panties with an angel's face. I see magic in your eyes, see magic in your eyes. The world will say abracadabra. Oh yeah, I wanna reach out and grab ya, abracadabra, abracadabra. Salamat Lord sa tasking Lord. It's my pleasure for choosing my live broadcasting. Salamat Lord din madami. At Renz, how are you? Bawi ako sa inyo guys. Kalista naman yung mga yeah, salamat po. Madami talaga. Naka-record po ito. I-upload na lang natin sa YouTube for my memory. Live last. Salamat po dami buddy. What? Ba't ganun? No. Taste me by holding out your hand. Leave me, take me as I am. Testing yan kaya game. Thank you po for tasking. Happy tasking everyone. Salamat ng madami sa compliments and positive. Kapag ang puso di sanay mag-isa, puro lungkot na lang ang nadarama. Kapag walang tibok, walang ligaya, kapag wala ka, buhay ko'y walang sigla. Ang iyong pangako pangako kuya laging mamahalin. Ano yun? Hanggang wakas ay magsasama, umulan bumagyo, umuman ang mundo, ikaw at ako pa rin. Remember me kapag naisa, pag ika'y nalulungkot, galala. Remember me, Bridget, kapag iniwan ka, luhaan at sugatan, yung minamahal. Remember me, di ko kayang limutin ka noon, ngayon magpakailanman. Ang trabaho dito kayo rin. Bye. Time check. Maglasong na po tayo. May quit yung pangangailangan. Yung pangako ako'y laging mamahalin. Tanda ko pa tinsumpaan, ang wakas ay magsasama mula't bumagyo, ilan ang mundo, bawat ako pa rin. Alright. At for our last song, guys, pasensya na po. Tagalog naman. Ayan. Hala. Shit, marami ka ba yan? Naputput yung ano. Naputput yung lalamunan kakakanta. Eh di Renz Perano na. Hindi pa pwede pa lumaban. Nandito. Ikaw din yan? Ayan. Grabe. Show mo, bro. Ayoko na. Tapos kasi doon. Ayan. Dahil makulit si bro, Renz. Ika dito, sa mamo. Hindi nga, wala nga dito. Pag uwi ko, tatagay tayo, right?
Tagay na, bro.
Visit ka.
Renz Perano.
Tinesting ko nga kung okay pa eh. Wala,
Okay
hindi
na
pa.
okay, bro. Para kasi ano eh. May pause ang konti.
Tato ka. Shit.
Dapat nagtagan.
Ha?
Malamig ngayon. Ha?
Wala nga eh.
Tagay ka.
Wala dito eh.
Bili na. Ha?
Ano? Nasa Jeddah ako, bro. Ano, bibili ako.
Ay, bawal
Papahuli ako.
ba? Ah, bawal pala dyan, oo. So, bawal pala dyan.
Nung nakaraan pa doon. Gulo mo eh.
Ah, okay. Ganda may nanggugulo.
Wala.
Mga ilang oras ka dyan? 2 oras? Dalay mo?
Ilan na ba? Hindi ko alam eh. Kaya maglalasong ako, bro, ka, pahinga muna. Listen to me whine, nothing and everything at once. I'm one of those melodramatic fools, neurotic to the bone, no doubt about it. Sometimes I give myself the creeps. Sometimes my mind plays tricks on me. It all keeps adding up. I think I'm fucking up, and I'm just so paranoid. That's a tone. I went to a shrink to analyze my dreams. She says it's like a sex and bringing me down. I went to a whore. She said my life's a bore. So quick for one because I'm bringing her down. Sometimes I give myself the grip. Sometimes my mind plays tricks on me. It all keeps adding up. I think I'm cracking up, and I'm just so paranoid. I live her. Just being too control, so I better hold on. Right! Third, ano na lang natin. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Lalo na sa mga...
Naglalag ako bro
Bakit? Patayin mo, i-close mo muna yung tab ng mga porn mo.
Ano? Alin?
Yung porn site mo. I-close mo muna. At sa ating visitor, hindi ko na mabasa. What is it?
Salamin mo na sa taas na mo eh.
Wala na. Clear to eh. Style lang yan eh. What the fuck?
Pampapogi.
True date ba yan? Eroded. Eroded.
Mercury Gray. Mga kapa mo pala yan bro.
May emperor ba? Wala naman eh. Bruno. Chris Joy 2320 yan ang MLIR na PAM. Salamat ng marami, Lord.
Oo pala.
Okay. Erudite na lang?
Karamihan mga robot eh.
Hindi siya. Tao din yan, Lord. May puso din yan. At kay Jeddies. Right. MLIR.
Pero kayo kumanta. Ano? Yan.
At lalo-lalo na po sa ating kaibigan, sa inyong lingkod na nandito sa harapan, pinaupo ko. Right. Shoutout po sa inyo, lalo-lalo na sa aking asawa na si Mayora.
Yun.
What the fuck?
What the fuck? Nandiyan ba siya?
Ito siya. 4, 3, 2, 1. Madam Mayora. Grabe naman. Grabe naman kakapal yung foundation ng baby ko. Lalaba ka ba ng ano? May sagala ba? May sagala?
Para maganda siya bro. Ikaw naman, binibisto mo naman
Sorry
eh.
naman. Hindi ba? Magla-live ka ba o MB? What the fuck?
Mukhang papagaya sa'yo niya bro, by the fuck.
At kay FWF Maldita, salamat po sa tambay and choosing my live broadcasting room. Right. Salamat ng madami.
MLIR yan.
Lalo kay Renz natin, right? Admin Renz ng Smug.
Rock and roll!
Alright, rock and roll. Wala bang palakpakan dyan? Uy, meron yan. Nag-aaral pa lang po tayo. This is probably my sixth attempt doing live broadcasting, guys. Salamat na madami. At masyado touch ng puso. Right. Kasi yung mga
Alright, rock and roll!
appreciate. Malapit na ako yung
Wala
umuwi. Uwi tayo ng Pilipinas.
Kailan yan, bro?
Sa 14.
Mga ilang buwan pa?
Sa 14 na, bro ka.
Ito na.
Hindi.
Lapit na nga.
Hindi, nung nakaraan pa. Bro.
Joke yun? Baka joke yan
Happy Tassie everyone. Salamat po Ay, si Broken A?
Thank you,
Why
guys.
like this, my friend? Why like you broken?
What a pack!
What the fuck? Uy, baka umalis siya. Happy Tassie lang yan. Uy.
Hindi.
Nandito po si attorney natin.
Uy, lagot.
Renz, alright? Kaya kung may tanong lang po kayo at may problema regarding sa puso, pwede niyo po siyang puntahan sa kanyang PR.
Yes.
Okay.
Yan.
Okay. Pwede rin kayo mag-request ng MB sa kanya. Si Mayora nakikinig eh. That's all for now, guys. Ang tasking ba ni Lodi? Matatapos na. Hintayin lang natin mag-tasking si Lodi. Chris Joy and Jedis. Ikaw yata yan, Lodi, bro. Alhamdulillah. Ang salamat ng madami. Grabe ang noble one natin. Ang visitor natin, si Erudite.
Mga 100 views na, bro. 100 views na.
What the fuck? No! And to end this, hello, happy tasking. Sige lang,
Hi,
tasking.
guys.
Hi, guys.
Yan.
Hindi ka, follow back.
Tapos bigyan yung
Salamat
kimbo.
po
Yan.
para pag titignan ko yung listahan ko kung sino yung mga nagagis at babalikan natin. Alright.
Yun, lala.
Yan ang magandang
Rock and
ano.
roll.
Wala mong palakpakan dyan, oh.
Meron yan. Ayan,
Ayun na nga eh.
Rock and roll.
And to end this wonderful time with you guys, salamat po ng madami sa pag-follow and share ng aking live broadcasting. At next time, what the fuck? Love you.
Sanaya mo na yan, bro.
And to end this live,
LG,
salamat ng madami
Algita,
sa aking
ayan.
Lodi dito sa aking tabi, alright? And sa mga nag-tasking
Algita,
po at sa pagpili ng
welcome.
aking room para makomplete ang kanilang tasking. Salamat ng madami, guys. It's really big pleasure for me. At ayun lang po lamang mga Lodi, sa susunod ulit magkita-kita tayo, alright? And this live broadcast will end in 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you, Lodi.